All right, welcome back, traders. Nvidia just bounced off a key support level at 135.66, which aligns with the rising 50-day moving average, after experiencing a sharp minus 13.77% pullback. From its all-time high of 152.89, Nvidia has now reclaimed this critical level and is eyeing a close above the declining 20-day moving average at 140.68. A close above this level could pave the way for a move toward closing the breakdown candle near 147.50. But the big question remains, can it sustain this momentum and solidify its position above the 50-day SMA? In today's video, we'll break down the charts, analyze the key levels, and discuss what could come next for Nvidia's stock. Let's dive in. On Friday, Nvidia tested and successfully reclaimed the 50-day moving average, closing up 2.15% at 138.25. While the volume was notably low, it's worth mentioning that this was the day after Thanksgiving, with the market operating on shortened hours, so we'll give it a pass on that. The price action itself was bullish, with the 50-day SMA acting as solid support after Wednesday's brief dip below it. Now, the immediate hurdle for Nvidia is the declining 20-day moving average at 140.68. A close above this level, or better yet, above 141, would significantly strengthen the bulls' case and set the stage for a potential test of 144.32, followed by 147.50. Intraday traders should keep a close eye on 138.88 as a pivot point. Holding above this could fuel further upside momentum. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is sitting at 47.73, below the critical 50 level, indicating weak momentum. Bulls need to push the RSI back above 50 to reestablish control and open the door to retesting all-time highs. On the flip side, the weekly MACD is on the verge of a bearish crossover, a warning sign that should not be ignored. This adds some weight to the possibility of continued downside pressure in the near term. Looking at historical patterns, Nvidia has a tendency to retest the rising weekly 20-period moving average during pullbacks, which currently sits at 128.14. While the recent bounce off the 50-day SMA is encouraging, traders should be prepared for a potential retest of this level, especially after 3 consecutive lower weekly closes. Additionally, there's an unfilled gap at 118.75, which aligns closely with the rising 200-day moving average at 112. This could act as a magnet for price if selling pressure resumes. In summary, Nvidia is at a critical juncture. On the bullish side, a close above 140.68 would signal a potential recovery, with targets at 144.32 and 147.50 in the short term. On the bearish side, failure to hold 135.66, the 50-day SMA, could open the door to a retest of the weekly 20 SMA at 128.14, or even the unfilled gap at 118.75 near the 200-day SMA. For longer-term traders, the weekly chart suggests we may still need a final shakeout move to flush out weak hands before the next leg higher. As always, risk management is key. Use these levels to plan your entries and exits effectively. Nvidia has been a powerhouse, but even the strongest stocks need to consolidate before resuming their trends. Let's keep a close watch on these levels as we head into the week ahead. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth stock market breakdowns. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your take on Nvidia's next move? Are we headed for a breakout, or will the bears take control? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.